The 2014 Ford Focus ST. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.